One night, Farmer Brown was taking the air, locked up the barnyard with the greatest of care. Down in the hen house, something stirred. When he shouted,